Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech MK470 set. In this video I'll show you how to install battery to mouse and keyboard. In order to install battery to mouse, we have to remove this cover. Now insert the battery and close it. Now simply switch this button to on position to use the mouse. To get access to keyboard battery, we have to push this white cover forward. Now we can remove it, and as you can see, here we've got the place for batteries. Simply insert them and now you can lock the keyboard cover. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.